Hi guys, welcome to this new episode. So in the last episode we discussed about the dashboard, in which I explained about the monthly revenue, product, customer and outstanding. Okay, so as you can see here, we have to-do list. So based on our new registration, the system haven't synchronized fully this account. So once it's fully synchronized, so we see the guides and step on how to set up our account. So as you can see on this live account, we have company task and the action is written here. So we have currency, shipping, tax rate and so on and so forth. So the reason why this is very important is because if you go to invoices and you want to create a new invoice, so you need all these informations. Okay, for example, you need your customer information, you need your payment method, you need your courier, you need your salesperson and so on and so forth. Okay, so that is why I'm trying to show you the steps and guide on how to set up your account. So on the left side menu, we have the dashboard, we have the quotation, purchase order, client, sales terms and so on and so forth. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to set up all this. So for example, we need to go for the first task, which is setting up your company information. Okay, so to set up your company information, the action written here says go to the sidebar, click on configuration, then business to update company details such as name, address and your contact information. Okay, so this is very simple. As I have said earlier, this is the admin dashboard. Okay, and this is the sidebar. So now let's go to configuration. Then we have here businesses. Okay, so in this business section you can register as many businesses as you have. Let's assume you have up to 8 branches, 5 headquarters and so on. You can register everything here. Okay, so let's create our first business. So the company name, I'm going to use our company information, which is Emic Technology Sandra Bahad. Okay, 1 minute.